How to use JDownloader 2. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use JDownloader 2 instead of downloading any files that you would like to download from your browser. Now, once you've successfully downloaded JDownloader 2, this is going to be the JDownloader 2 client. So say for example, we will be trying to download any files that we will get from Google. So let's just type in wallpapers, for example, and then just choose on any random sites. So for you to be able to download it, just simply click on the file that you wish to download, and then you will have these options. Now take note that the important thing that you need to remember is make sure that the file that you're downloading has these links. If it's either a low quality download or the original download, either of those two, but you've got to make sure that there is a download link. Now, if you click this, it will automatically be downloaded into your browser. But if you don't want that, just simply right click on the download link and then copy link address. Open up JDownloader 2, use this downloads option, right click, choose on add new links, then it will automatically be pasted here. And then once you hit on continue, it will automatically be downloaded onto the JDownloader 2. And that's it. That's how you use JDownloader 2.